this video, we will see how we can install the Filmora software on our Mac computer. First, you need just to go to the Google and then find the Filmora, and that's the website. That's the official website of Filmora. You just need to go there and find a link to download the file, which is a .dmg file for Mac. So as you can see, the file has already been downloaded. Now the next step is we will open the file and just press agree on that one, and then it will start installing on your Mac. Let's wait for a while until it's get installed. Now it's just about to install. It should not take much time, just a few minutes. I just speed up the process for the video. Now it's finalizing it. Now it has been installed. Now I'm just transferring the app to my applications. Now as you can see, now I am just trying to open the application, but first it needs to copy into my application, and that's the progress bar for that one. Let's wait for a second. It will not take much time. As you can see, it takes just a few seconds. Just about to be installed. Yeah, it has already been installed. Now it's copy the application to the application folder. This video is just not about installing. I will also tell you how to activate that one. So please stick to the video till the end. As you can see, it's over here. Let's open it up. It's verifying. Now it's open. Where's the window? Here's the window. Okay, now for activating that one, once you have to go here and press this activation link. Now the most important thing is over here. You need to turn off your Wi-Fi or internet connection to the Mac, and this is the serial number you need to put, and you can put any email address, and when you press OK, it will be done. Now you have already put the mail ID and the activation code. Now just turn on your Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is on now. Now as you see, it's shown over here the registration is successful. Now if you go to the help menu again, you will not find that activation link again. So it's not installed completely. Enjoy the video. Bye.